So I have this computer case. So I just got this computer case for what, like $37 on Newegg. I don't know how to unbox this thing. Bgears. The company's name is Bgears. I am not sponsored because why would they sponsor me? I don't really know what I'm doing. So let's just knife this guy. That didn't even cut into it. So let me cut into it from the top. Okay, so now that we got it done, and let's just slide this box out. You can feel the static. Look at my arm hairs. Let's not destroy everything. Okay, yeah, so we got static. I think it's supposed to have like a glass in the front, so I don't like these. Okay, this case feels very
lightweight.
This is what we got. So we got this little air filter up top, and it's magnetic. So the metal isn't the strongest. I feel like I could bend that easily. Then we got this glass panel. So you definitely need a screwdriver. So you just unscrew those, and we got ourselves a nice glass panel. So that's cool. I was not expecting the case to look like this. They did not include a single fan. Yeah, I don't know about the fan thing, but it's fine, I guess. This is where the fan's gonna go. The front panel doesn't have like any holes. This whole thing in the front, it's plastic. But ventilation looks like it's only here and down here. But I mean, I don't know if it's gonna get really hot. It does have the ventilation up top. So you can probably put 2 fans up here and a smaller one in the back, and then review the manual. But yeah, got all our cables here. We already got our standoffs installed for the motherboard, and it comes with a little package as well, which looks like we have more screws, more standoffs, and they kindly included 5 zip ties for cable management. So let's open up the back. These thumb screws are hard. Screwdriver instead. So this has some pretty good cable management stuff. Like, it's better than that other $30 PC from Roswill, because there's like this little groove. And then we got this. The one thing I'm confused, let's say I want to put a hard drive in, right? Where do I put the hard drive in? Is there maybe there's no space for a hard drive, right? It's too ancient. So it looks like we have 2 USB up here and 1 USB 3. Headphone, microphone, got a couple LEDs, LED light, and the power button. So down here where our power supply is gonna go, we do have another magnetic air filter. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Is it really worth $36 if I have to go spend another $12? Or I don't even know what the prices of fans are right now. All right, so I'm here on Newegg. Looked for the cheapest fans that I could find, and I found a 3-pack of 120mm fans for about $13. So that should cover the top and the right here. The right here, that's what I meant. For another $12, so it really pushes the case up to $49. I do like that they added the magnetic filters. It does have the glass panel, which is really nice, but the build quality is kind of flimsy. This is very lightweight. And it doesn't include the fans, which basically pushes it up to $50. So in that case, just look for a $50 case. But if you guys want this computer, if you like the look of it, definitely go check the link below. I'll also put some case fans so you can get yourself some case fans, because it doesn't come with case fans. Might as well just have it as a $50 case with some case fans. I thought this was gonna be more of like a budget computer. I thought that it had fans, at least one, but I think for $50 you can get something better. I think the Roswill Tyrfing, I've had that case before. I do like that case. It's pretty sturdy. It did come with a couple fans, so I will link the Roswill Tyrfing down below. I think it's also like $50. So if you guys want to check that one out. Bgears, I am so sorry that I don't recommend this, but